The National Electrical Code, or NEC, Article 404.9 covers the installation of receptacles. Section 404.9 general states that receptacles shall be provided on all wall spaces, including bathrooms, kitchens, and garages, where the uninterrupted length of the wall space is 2 feet or more and the space is accessible. Section 404.9b wall states that receptacles shall be installed so that no point along the floor line in any wall space is more than 6 feet, measured horizontally, from an outlet. There is an exception: receptacles shall not be required in the space occupied by fixed panels such as mirrors and vanities, appliances, or other similar equipment. Now let's discuss the exception to the 24-inch rule for stud walls. The contractor's statement is correct. There is an exception to the 24-inch rule for stud walls. In the case of stud walls, if the two receptacles in question are on either side of a stud, and the stud is within 6 feet of both receptacles, then the 24-inch rule does not apply. In conclusion, receptacles are required in all wall spaces, including bathrooms, kitchens, and garages, where the uninterrupted length of the wall space is 2 feet or more and the space is accessible. However, there is an exception to the 24-inch rule for stud walls, as long as the spacing between receptacles does not exceed 6 feet.